Heavenly Father, I give thanks for this precious moment of life. I honor the breath that sustains me and the heartbeat that keeps me connected to this world. I am grateful for the roof that shelters me and the ground that supports my steps. I appreciate the nourishment that fuels my body and the clean water that refreshes my spirit. Today, I acknowledge the gift of my health and the miracle of my physical being. I celebrate my mind's capacity to learn, grow, and create new possibilities. I give thanks for the relationships that enrich my existence. I am blessed by family bonds, friendships that uplift me, and connections that remind me I am never alone. I appreciate the work that gives purpose to my days and the rest that restores my energy. I am grateful for both the challenges that strengthen me and the ease that brings me peace. I honor the natural world around me, the sun that warms my face, the rain that nourishes the earth, the trees that provide oxygen, and the stars that inspire wonder. I give thanks for my emotions, both joyful and difficult, as they teach me about the full spectrum of human experience. I appreciate my ability to feel deeply and love freely. I am grateful for the creative force within me that allows me to contribute something unique to this world. I honor my talents, my passions, and my ability to make a positive difference. I acknowledge the abundance that surrounds me in countless forms, the abundance of air to breathe, beauty to witness, kindness to receive, and love to share. I give thanks for the lessons learned from every experience, knowing that both triumphs and setbacks serve my highest growth and evolution. I appreciate this very moment, recognizing it as the only time that truly exists, and I choose to be fully present within it. I am grateful for the mystery of existence itself, for consciousness, for awareness, for the incredible journey of being alive in this vast and wondrous universe. I give thanks for hope that lights the way forward and faith that sustains me through uncertainty. I am blessed by inner strength I didn't know I possessed. I honor the generations that came before me, who made my life possible, and the generations to come, who inspire me to leave the world better than I found it. I appreciate the technology that connects me to others and the simple pleasures that bring immediate joy, a smile, a sunset, a moment of laughter. I am grateful for forgiveness, both the ability to forgive others and to receive forgiveness myself, knowing this frees my heart to love more fully. I am grateful for the opportunity to serve others and contribute to creating more compassion, understanding, and healing in our world. I acknowledge the perfect timing of my life's unfolding, trusting that everything happens in divine order for my highest good and the good of all. As we close this practice of gratitude, take a moment to feel the warmth of appreciation filling your entire being. Notice how gratitude transforms your perspective and opens your heart to receive even more blessings. Remember that gratitude is not just a practice but a way of being. When we approach life with thankful hearts, we become magnets for joy, abundance, and peace. Carry this spirit of appreciation with you throughout your day. Let gratitude be your compass, guiding you toward greater happiness and deeper connection with all of life. Thank you for sharing this sacred time. May your day be filled with countless reasons to give thanks, and may your grateful heart be a source of light in this world. Take care, stay blessed, and remember, there is always something to be grateful for.